Hey YouTubers, it's me, Original Beauty 922, also known as Lady Boondoggle. If you can't find me, just type in Keisha Dowdell. Yeah, I know it's been a long time. First of all, let me say that. And I said I was going to do a surprise stitch, but I have not did that yet. I'm letting my fans and viewers and subscribers down. I apologize for that. And remember, I said that I would never, ever, 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 ever do a super combo tornado stitch. Sorry, I'm watching Bad Girls Club season 10. Cause it took so much. It's a waste of gimp. But I got some scraps together, and I did the smallest combo stitch I've ever did in my life. The reason why I had to do it small was because one of the strands had a slit in it. It had a slit in it, and when I was tightening it up, it popped, snapped in half. But here it is. This is like totally ridiculous, but it's a combo tornado stitch. I don't think I'm gonna put it on my new ones because I mean this is just looks like a fucking piece of bubble gum. It really does. Looks like a fucking piece of bubble gum. Twisted all and chewed up like shit. So that'll just go in there just like these other ones, like this one, the spinners and the that I did, the spinners that I've done, small ones, little things. So I'm gonna just put this little small combo tornado in there. My next stitch will be, I changed my mind. My next stitch that I was gonna do was gonna be a surprise stitch. It's gonna be a surprise stitch still, but I'm gonna do a different one. And the colors are going to probably be blue, two different types of blue, and yeah. So until next time, oh yeah, I forgot. Oh yeah, I already told you guys that. Oh yeah, the iPod, the small one I was telling you guys I made a video about. It works real good. It's cool. Anyway, yeah. So please comment and subscribe. Again, I apologize. It's been so long since I've made a video. So till next time, peace out. Smooches.